What if I told you your life could change completely right now? This is not some motivational fluff. This is real, and it's going to hit you like nothing before. Pause for a moment, as if letting the gravity of your statement sink in. You see, every single person watching this video, including you, has faced moments that make them feel broken, defeated, moments when it feels like you're at rock bottom. But let me tell you something that's going to make a difference. Part 1. The depth of rock bottom. Begin by addressing the feeling of being at rock bottom, emotionally, mentally, and even financially. Use examples that many people can relate to. It's in these moments when you feel that nothing's going to change, that all the odds are against you. You see friends moving forward, achieving things, and yet here you are, stuck. Use words like failure, helplessness, darkest moments, but then gradually start shifting. But do you know what rock bottom truly is? It's the foundation of a powerful comeback. Part 2. The mindset shift. Introduce the concept of mindset without sounding cliché. Instead, make it feel revolutionary. The people who make legendary comebacks aren't the ones who got lucky. They're the ones who change their mindset in ways most people don't even consider. Here's the truth that nobody tells you. What you think is what you become. Imagine your brain as a battlefield. Right now, there are parts of your mind telling you you're not enough. You've got a choice to believe those voices or shut them up and start a new story. Part 3. Vision with details. Paint a vivid picture of the future they could achieve. Close your eyes. Picture yourself 6 months from now. Not just better. See yourself truly living the life you want. A person who's got his life together, who commands respect, who's powerful, confident. Feel that version of you. How do you walk, talk, and see the world? Feel it deeply. You're no longer looking up at your dreams. You're living in them. That is where you're headed. But it's only possible if you decide to make this comeback now. Part 4. The 3-step comeback plan. Introduce steps with clear language, making them sound powerful and achievable. 1. Step 1. Eliminate distractions with brutal honesty. Most people are too distracted to get anything done. Social media, pointless conversations, empty goals. The first step, cut the noise. Be ruthless. If it doesn't serve you, let it go. 2. Step 2. Develop relentless consistency. Consistency is the weapon of winners. You have to show up every single day. Stop negotiating with yourself. Do the hard things even when you don't feel like it. That's how greatness is built. 3. Step 3. Invest in self-belief. The world is full of people who won't believe in you, and honestly, they don't need to. But you have to. Repeat after me. I am unstoppable. You say it until it's wired into your soul. That belief alone, it's life-changing. So stay hard.